So I'm here in the FTI booth with Grant here to talk about this brand new converter for you Ford guys. So tell us all about this new converter, because this thing is pretty slick.
Absolutely, we're excited to bring it to the market. This is actually featured in the product showcase this year as well. And we're gonna offer this in a 9.5 inch and a 10 inch option. Right now, currently we have two stall speed ranges. One's gonna be offered in a 2800 to 3200 stall speed, and the other one's gonna be a little bit higher, where it's gonna be 3200 to 3600. Right now, the exciting thing is that we also have the billet version that's gonna increase the stall speed up to about 4500 as another option in between that range. And we're excited, we can't wait.
So what application is this converter for?
So it's gonna fit the 2018 Mustangs and F-150s. So 2018 and up.
That is awesome. You know, those are popular as ever, and it's kind of like a race car in a box almost. Like, you can go buy one, you can go to the track, you know, upgrade a little bit. You see a ton of guys. The 5 liters run really, really well.
They do.
You know, no matter what you're doing to them, you know, put a little nitrous to them, or even, you know, a little bit of boost and go. But that's the thing, is when you start kind of, you know, racing the car and do that kind of stuff, you need a performance converter. And you guys filled that void in the market.
We did. We recognized that there was an opportunity there in the market to reach out to a customer base that we haven't been able to. And this is going to connect us to those customers. And like I said, we're excited about it.
Yeah, so what is the availability on these right now?
Right now we have all the parts in stock. You can call them up, and about 2 weeks to build time, and we'll get it shipped right out to you.
Man, that's awesome. So head over to summitracing.com to see these converters and our other selection of FTI parts. Or if you're not exactly sure what you need, make sure to call our customer service line so the folks over there will be able to get you helped out. Grant, it's been so much fun learning about this, and I can't wait to see what you guys bring to the show next year.
Oh, just wait.
I can't wait. So until next time, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Grant here, and we'll see you guys later.